Jumpa lagi bersama saya di channel Saputra 1882. Kali ini saya akan membuat tutorial bagaimana cara membuat foto seperti ini. Black drag. Di sini hanya membutuhkan satu aplikasi, yaitu aplikasi lightroom ini. Kalian bisa download di Play Store secara gratis. Sebelum lanjut ke tutorialnya, simak dulu video yang satu ini. Oke teman-teman, sebelum lanjut ke videonya, kalian klik tombol subscribe dulu. Jangan lupa nyalain lonceng notifikasinya. Jika kalian suka dengan video ini, kalian bisa tinggalkan like dan komen. Jangan lupa di subscribe ya. Oke teman-teman, langsung saja kita ke tutorialnya. Check it out.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I've weighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in.